Today we're going to read the story, The Right to Be Me. This is a story about children's rights. The Right to Be Me was written by Alison Patterson and illustrated by Amanda Letcher. Luana and Jack are friends. In fact, Luana and Jack are best friends. They live in beautiful Queensland, Australia. It's nearly the start of a super special week called Children's Week. It's time when the rights of children are celebrated. Let's celebrate being children and having rights, said Luana. What does having rights mean? Well, a long time ago, countries around the world made a list of rules called rights to help every child have a happy, safe, and healthy childhood. Understanding the rights of children means knowing when they aren't being respected, said Luana. So, what rights do children have? Lots. We have the right to feel safe, go to school, be treated fairly, and say how we feel, and to share our ideas. That's great. Do I have the right to play and have fun too? Said Jack. You sure do, Jack. That's even better. Let's celebrate our rights. So Luana and Jack made a list of ideas about how to celebrate. Their favourite idea was to chat with friends they hadn't seen for ages. But catching up with their friends was not easy. Queensland is a big place and their friends live all over the state. Luana and Jack thought and thought and thought. Then they had the best idea ever. They could have an online meeting with friends. With a bit of grown-up help, it wasn't long before they organised a meeting and sent the invitations. To our friends, let's celebrate. Join us to celebrate children's rights. The big day arrived. Luana and Jack welcomed all the children and the grown-ups to the Celebrate Children's Rights meeting. You go first, Riley, said Luana. Then we'll take turns. Okay, I'm Riley and I live with my dad in Mount Isa. I've been finding out about different kinds of rocks. I'm a member of the Gem Club. It's my right to learn about new things and to meet others. That's awesome, Riley. Thanks, said Jack. Miriam, you're out at Longreach. What have you been up to? Well, tomorrow I'm going to meet my friends from Distance Education School for the swimming carnival. I live on an outback station and most of the time I only get to see my classmates online. It's my right to have help getting to activities that keep me fit and healthy and to see my friends. Oh, that sounds fun, Miriam, said Luana. Binny Miri, what have you been up to? Hi everyone, I live with my family in Kuranda. Uncle has been teaching me about my country and culture. You can see here how they're talking in language. I'm listening to you speak about my country. It's my right to enjoy my country and culture and learn my language. Wow, that is so cool. Thanks, said Jack. What about you, Anne? Well, I live on the Gold Coast with my mum. I'm in an environment club at school and I've been writing letters to important people about keeping koalas safe by not chopping down trees. It's my right to have a say about things that matter to me. Great work! That's so important, said Luana. Anika, what have you been up to? I just moved into a new house in Toowoomba with my family. I had fun helping my parents make traditional food dishes for the food festival. I met lots of new friends there. It's my right to have a home and enjoy my religion and share my culture. Yum! Thanks, Anika, said Luana. Everyone had a turn, except for Luana and Jack. It's your turn, Luana, said Jack. I live in Brisbane, said Luana. I love reading, writing stories and cooking. My favourite time of the day is when my dad, mum and my little brothers pack our yummy lunches before we walk to school. It's my right to have healthy food, go to school safely and to learn. Me too, said Jack. But I also love to play handball. It's my right to be a kid and to be happy and play. We're children and we all have special rights to celebrate every day, said Luana. Yes, go children's rights, said Jack, and everyone else joined in. Go children's rights! Jack and Luana's idea really had been the best idea ever. All children have rights and we should respect them. And that's worth celebrating. That's the end of our story today. The Right to Be Me. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.